How to clear chat in Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Clearing chat in Instagram is quite easy. Firstly, launch Instagram app on your device. Sign into the particular account, and after a while to clear chat in an easy way on Instagram, you have to first of all turn your personal account to professional account. After a while, tap on the messenger icon at top right corner of the screen. Now, select the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen, and from here you can select the multiple chats once at a time. So, once you select this chats, you can simply tap on the delete icon at bottom right corner of the screen, and then in order to confirm, tap the delete button again. And as you can see that we have successfully cleared the chat in Instagram. So by doing so, you can easily clear any number of chats on your Instagram. So that's it for today. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.